We'll do back in a flash. It'll be a flash because we're gonna edit this out, but actually it's taking 7 minutes. Don't worry. Don't try this at home. Or maybe do, but just no kids. I am a professional 6-year-old.
Let's see if it's 4.
6. Sweet potato
Experiment. We're gonna,
in
what we gonna do?
milk bottle. Just
Yeah.
clear it out from the milk.
Lulutuin namin yung sweet potato sa loob ng
Get the
milk
sweet
box.
potato.
Stand up, baba. Okay, what do we need for that experiment?
A sweet potato.
And then?
Some tissue. This thing almost literally just rolled off into it.
Yeah. We need sweet potato, an empty box of milk,
It's kind of broken.
tsaka tissue. Okay, what we gonna do?
So we get the sweet potato.
Yeah.
It's
This wrap the sweet potato of the with this one.
so old.
Wrap it properly. Ibabalot po natin yung sweet potato sa
Okay, that
hand towel, sa tissue paper. Then
want to make it exact sweet potato.
wash it with the water. Then babasain po natin siya ng konting tubig. Ay, basain natin siya.
Ready?
Okay.
This is in good.
Yeah. Put it inside.
Try that more.
Yeah. That's enough.
Now you just put it inside and kind of just in good.
And then we close the.
Ready?
And then what's next?
If you just
Then
want to
ilalagay po natin siya sa
do one that's
microwave
not like
oven.
fully grown.
What, baba?
If you don't want to do one that's full, then you can only do like 4 or 5. We're doing 7 because we want it a real sweet potato.
Excuse me. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, what we gonna do next? Lulutuin po natin siya sa pamamagitan ng microwave oven.
This is Mr. Microwave.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're gonna open him up. And which way do I put this? This doesn't really fit.
No, you can just, lay down.
Okay.
Yeah, like that.
Wait. Literally the best
Okay.
one you can use. So I push this
Yeah,
7.
you can do it. Why did you turn it off? 7 minutes. I-ano po natin siya ng 7 minutes. Ayan po. Ialulutuin po natin ng 7 minutes.
Yeah, but it's already on 6.
Mm-hmm.
Cause it like just stopped somehow.
Uh-huh.
So sorry, we will edit this to get together. But
Let's wait until 7 minutes, then we're gonna see what,
it looks like
what's the
be
result.
back in a flash. It'll be a flash because we're gonna edit this out, but actually it's taking 7 minutes.
You can,
Don't worry.
you can keep talking even while we're waiting.
Huh?
Tell them where we went before we do this experiment.
We went to the beach.
And what we ano ba yan, nakakano?
We got a few crabs.
Oh yeah.
Crabby friends, and guess what?
Nanghuli po kami ng mga
Come
baby
with us.
crabs.
Come on.
Nakakadugong
No.
ilong naman to.
There's one baby.
Where are you going?
Come with us. Oh my gosh. Wait.
Ipapakita namin ang aming mga baby crab. Oh, we're here, Remy.
There should be some crabs in here. Where's your mom running? Where's your mom?
Ayan po, maliliit sila, kaya hindi nyo sila makikita. Ayan, meron pong 3 baby crabs dyan.
And then.
Okay, saka na natin tingnan yung crab. Let's go back here to our experiment. Oh, we need 5 more minutes. Take a long time, huh?
Yeah, we do have some crabby friends. These
Yeah.
kind of hard to catch.
How many crabs do we have? 3
3.
baby crabs.
No, 1 baby crab.
They're
The other
all baby.
Well, whatever, okay. But 1 grown.
Yeah.
A grown man. Only 4 more minutes to go.
Why are you wearing like that?
I don't know, it's a costume.
It's your Star Wars costume.
No, I'm
Oh.
6 years old. I thought you were a puppy.
How many minutes left?
4. I can see you. Because I'm looking down, but I can see you. 3 more minutes. Yeah. Hello. Hey, take the video.
Yes.
So we only 5 more seconds left until this is done. I have my oven mitts on and I'm gonna turn it. Okay, let's see how this turned out. Ooh, that's hot.
Use this one.
I can feel it. Oh, this is really hot. I can even feel it through this really thick one. And now.
You should get the...
I'm psyched to see what's in here.
Uh-huh.
Psych. I don't know what's in here. But it's a video. We need to take this out so it's the big video.
Go.
Are you ready? It's gonna see what's in. Let's see what's in this, baby. Look at it.
It's so hot. So we need to be careful.
Don't try this at home. Or maybe do, but just no kids.
Yeah.
I am a professional 6-year-old.
Let's see if it's worth.
6.
If it... Gawin natin kung luto na siya. Oh! It's soft!
Oh my.
Oh,
That looks cooked.
yeah, it looks like we overcooked it.
Oh my. That
Let's
is
see. Wait, come here.
I'm not sure about this.
But yeah, it's cooked. See,
cooked.
naluto siya. Ang galing na yung experiment namin.
But so, if you have a force fury or mega neon pliable, whiteable, whatever, then can you like put the comments down in your name? I'm the Gooch 2021. I'll try funding you, and please can you give me my dream pet? Okay, bye-bye.
Success po yung aming experiment. Ayan, naluto yung kamote. Okay, bye. Say bye na, Remy.
Bye.